What is wastewater and what happens to it? Imagine turning on your faucet, brushing your teeth, or taking a shower. All that water goes somewhere after you use it. That's what we call wastewater. It's any water that has been used in homes, businesses, or factories and is no longer clean enough to reuse right away. This includes water from toilets, sinks, dishwashers, washing machines, and industrial processes. Even though wastewater is mostly water, more than 99%, it contains tiny bits of waste like human waste, food particles, soap, cleaning products, and chemicals. These contaminants can be harmful to people and the environment if they are not properly managed. When you flush the toilet or drain your sink, that used water flows through pipes into the sewer system. Utilities, which are organizations that manage water and waste services, are responsible for maintaining these sewer systems. The sewer pipes carry the wastewater away from homes and businesses, usually by gravity or with the help of pumps, to a treatment plant. The size of these pipes can vary, but they are often between 6 inches and 6 feet wide, depending on the amount of wastewater they need to carry. At the wastewater treatment plant, the utility's goal is to clean the water so it's safe to return to nature or reuse. The process begins with screening out large debris like sticks, rags, or plastic that could damage equipment. Next, the water flows into settling tanks where heavier solids settle to the bottom and are removed. This process is called primary treatment. After that, biological treatment uses bacteria and other microorganisms to break down organic waste. This step reduces the amount of organic material that could cause pollution. Sometimes, additional steps are taken to remove nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus, which can cause algae blooms in lakes and rivers. The water is then disinfected, often with chlorine or ultraviolet light, to kill harmful germs. The solids removed during treatment, called sludge, are processed further, sometimes dried and used as fertilizer or disposed of safely. The cleaned water, called effluent, is then released into nearby rivers, lakes, or oceans. It must meet strict environmental standards to protect aquatic life and public health. In some places where water is limited, treated wastewater is further purified through advanced processes like filtration and ultraviolet disinfection. This extra step allows the water to be reused for irrigation, industrial use, or to recharge underground aquifers. Utilities also handle billing for wastewater services, which covers the cost of collecting, treating, and safely disposing of used water. This fee is separate from your regular water bill, which pays for the clean water delivered to your home. To sum up, wastewater is the used water from our daily activities that contains contaminants. Utilities collect this water, treat it thoroughly, and then releases or reuse it in ways that protect our environment and public health. Proper management of wastewater keeps our communities clean, safe, and helps preserve water resources for the future.